Hey, welcome back to my channel. Yay, welcome back to my channel. Yay, welcome back to my channel. Yay, welcome back to my channel. What up, y'all? It's your girl Shantae. Once again, I got another banger for you. So in this video, I will be giving you guys, as you can tell by the description down below, that's right, you've seen it first, right here on my channel, the Glamlite quick tool. Yes, for a cut crease. So all you girls or boys that be having problems with doing your cut crease, if you're a newbie to cut crease and you find it difficult, you could go ahead and purchase the tool from Glamlite. I'm not going to go like so far into details about it because it's not an ad. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and do a little demo for y'all so y'all can see it firsthand how to apply the base on it, how many seconds or minutes you have to put it on the lid, the outcome of it, what do you have to do with it, and all of that. So I got it all in the video for you. So, but before we go any further, if you are a newbie, hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it so you don't miss out on none of my videos. Okay, I don't want you to miss out on none of these videos because I got something cooked up. Okay? And if you are an oldie but a goodie, hey girl or hey boy, I thank you so much for supporting my channel. I love you guys to pieces. So, if you guys would continue to keep supporting me, please. Continue to share, leave comments. The love is not being unnoticed. I thank you guys so much for all that you do. And, yes, let's get into this video. And I hope you guys like it. And I will see you on the side. Let's get into it. Booyah! Hey guys, so this is the review, like I said in the beginning, of the Glamlite Quick Crease Tool. So yes, it comes with instructions and it comes in this white box, which is cute. The packaging is cute. And it says, you know, to follow her page or whatever. And the instructions are on the side as well, right here. So if you lose this, you have your instructions on the side. Let's just dig in here. Oh, I look crazy because I did one side. I did my wing. I only did one side of it because I wanted to test it out on this eye. So I was like, no. But I already started doing my makeup, so I wound up taking the wing off and like just leaving the mascara on. But I wanted to have like a blank eyelid space so I can test this out and have a legit review for you guys. So yeah, and it sits up in this plastic thing and it looks like this. It's cute, right? It's pink. I love pink, so that's probably why I like it. Okay, so yeah, the instructions says to begin by applying transition shade over the crease, then apply a darker eyeshadow, blend until both shades are smooth. I don't want to do eyeshadow, honey, because I want to see how it works. You know what I mean? And I don't want to waste my eyeshadow. So so let's get into this, okay? Apply your favorite concealer onto the quick crease until your fingers, using your fingers or a brush. I don't know why I can't read today, but just know I can read. I just don't know what's going on. So I'm going to use P. Louise base in number 4. And I'm just going to put this a little bit on here. Because if you use P. Louise, then you know you'll need a lot of it anyway. So I'm just going to tap this out. Smooth it out rather on here and see how this works. So if you want to do like a half cut crease, you could do that. Well, maybe you do need a little bit more than your eyelid. You gotta put, a generous amount, not a generous, but enough to like smooth it out. So I'm gonna do half of my lid. It'll probably be the whole damn lid now. So yeah, I'm just painting this on here like that with the little brush, literally. And it said just paint it on here, so I'm waiting to see if I need to wait for it to get tagged. Oh, align tool with your eyelid. Press it on for 2 seconds to make sure the concealer is applied evenly. Remove, use a small brush to blend any excess concealer. 2 seconds. This looks weird, bro. Maybe, does it go like this? All right. I don't think it goes like that, though. I don't think it freaking matters, does it? But anyway. Oh, no, it don't go like that. Ah! I messed it up. All right. So, I probably just gonna have to do the whole lid now. Because, chill. So, we gonna brush it on here again. I'm gonna just do the whole lid. I'm gonna take some micellar water and get this off of here. Okay? We're just gonna get it off of here, sis. Just gonna get it off. So it says to smooth it out on here. And I took the base, I smoothed it out on here. I'm gonna put a little bit more so I can't be like, oh, it didn't go on because I didn't have enough. So I just want to fill this whole thing up, no spaces on it. I can't believe I had it wrong the first time. All right, so here we go. It's fully drenched. Fully drenched, okay? So let's give it a try. I guess the little, yeah, that little hump piece or whatever, that goes on the top. 2 seconds. 1, 2. Oh, okay. Well, we might be coming up with something. And then it says, use small brush to blend any excess concealer. It was not any excess. This is what it looks like. And I did it for 2 seconds, like I said. So I was making sure it said 2 seconds, so it did say 2 seconds. So what I'm going to do is just like try to fill into that with the remaining P. Louise that I had. Did it say what we gotta do after that? Now that you have created the perfect cut crease shape, apply your desired eyeshadow or press glitter. Ta-da! You're done. So yeah, I didn't have any excess from it, and I put like a good amount on here. It's fully drenched in eyeshadow. In primer. Is it primer? No, an eyeshadow base. That's what I meant to say. It's fully drenched in eyeshadow base, and hey, like, I just don't know. I love her makeup. Don't get me wrong. This is a quick tool though. Like, if you really don't know how to do cut crease, this is awesome though. But you have to literally, if you don't know how to do cut crease, it's like hard for you to really get the shape in there, like crispy. So I feel like that tool does not, allow the crispness of you getting a cut crease. Because, like I said, if you don't know how to do it, it's hard to do it. The tool's supposed to help. I mean, it does help. It does make it a little faster for you to use, like, to get a cut crease. But you see, I had to fill it in, and I had to make it more crisp. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of do. But I don't know. What's your thoughts? I just want to know what y'all think in the comment section. Like, What are your thoughts? If y'all got it already, let me know what y'all thought about it. And yeah, I mean, it stamps. That's for sure. It stamps for sure. It's good quality. It's not all flimsy, so that's not the case. So that's good. This is good quality, but it's just the whole thing of like it not being on your lid when you take it off. You gotta literally like add to it and like really fix it all up. So I mean, like I feel like it like defeats the purpose of having a tool, because I feel like a tool should definitely be doing the whole job for you. Okay, and you would literally just have to fill it in a little bit, not like all the way, honey. Like I had to fill it all the way in. I don't like that. And then if I didn't know how to do a cut crease or do anything really, like I would be jacked up. Like I would have had a blank ass eyelid or a patchy eyelid. Like girl, I don't know. What y'all think? But this is what it looks like though after I like filled it in. And yeah, I had to fill it in. So I'm looking at the side there, looking around there. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think in the section, well, the comment section down there. Thanks for joining, and I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Thank you before you go. Thank you so much. If you could, please hit that subscription and the bell button next to it so you don't miss out on none of my videos. And every week I will have a new video out to you. If you're into all of this stuff, girl, like, continue to be here. Continue to support your girl. Yeah, so, yeah, that's okay. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think about it. If you think about getting it, if you got it already, what are your thoughts and your techniques with it? What do you do? I just wanted to push this video out to y'all because I didn't find any video at all. So I just thought that somebody could use it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you thought, if I'm tripping or if it's not that bad, whatever. I'm gonna keep it though. Like, I'm gonna keep it. It'll definitely come in handy, like when I'm trying to hurry up and not really like take my time to do it, and all I have to do is fill it in. I like that because, like I said, I know how to do makeup, so it's not that hard for me to just use it as a template, if you would say, and just go ahead and fill it in. So I don't have a problem with that. So I would definitely be keeping it. It was not worth $20. It is $20. I think it should be like $10. But hey, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And well, ladies and gentlemen, you made it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. I'm not gonna say any more about leaving comments because I said it like 50 times in the video. I'm so sorry. But it just threw me for a loop when I like pulled it out and started using it. I just couldn't believe the results. Like, I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting, but I kind of felt like it would be more on the lid when I took it out and put it on. I don't know. But like I said in the video, if you guys liked it or whatever, yeah. Yeah, in the comment section. I'm not going to say it no more. I know y'all tired of me saying it, so yes. Yeah, so make sure y'all tag Glamlite so they can see this video, and tell your girlfriends, your boyfriends, your husband, your wives, your cousins, your uncles, and your aunts. Okay, let them all know to come here and look at this video. If they're thinking about purchasing it, let them look at this video, see if y'all want to get it, see if they want to get it, whatever. And I will see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye! Once again, thanks for watching, and before you exit the building, if you want to hit those 2 links right there for the subscribe, and hit the bell button next to it when you subscribe, and hit the previous video to watch the previous video.